What's up guys? What's up guys? What's up guys? To this vlog mga guys, suduan tika kung saan niyo pag-vlog guys using imong smartphone. Okay. Dili naman kinahanglan og kanang mahalon nga cellphone guys, kinasikanhan lang. Baratohon basta maka-video lang kasi mo kagalingon guys. So, first time button guys, i-film ni imong kaugalingon like that. Hi guys, my name is Tito guys. Karon guys, kanang magpaila-ila ka unsa imong ngalan, unsa imong gibuhat diri sa inyong balay. Ala good. Yun. Second yung button guys is edit. Nagtuo mo glisod mag-edit guys, pero kung makabalo mo, sayo na siya guys. So nade ko yung apps niyo nga i-offers niyo guys ang InShot, KineMaster and Power Director guys. So mas tinda gamiton ang KineMaster guys. Daghan magud mahimo siya guys. Yang filter basta daghan siya mga clips bitaw guys. No, kung unsa tay imong ganahan nga buhaton guys, i-vlog to nimo guys. Example, hobbies nimo magdulag basketball, magdulag ML. So, mo na imo i-content sa imong vlog guys. Easy. Ano to apps guys, i-download nyo sa Play Store guys ang KineMaster. Search nyo lang guys, magawas to guys. Guys, now kung nakakaman na mag-download sa KineMaster o KineMaster guys, if masipet imo mag-edit, mag-film siyang kagalingan guys, normal lang nga guys, kay baguhan mo gatoon. So remember guys, practice makes perfect guys. So, ay lang mag-undang. And kung namin mga suggestion guys, comment down below guys, ako nang basahon.
Shout out day kang Doreen Melody Basan, Rysel Nambling, Erica Nambling, Chris Marie Bagay, and Jed Sanchez, and Jobelen Monteo, and Marjo Umay. Classmate na ako na. So, guys, shout out po kay Ate Jang guys. Subscribe mo siyang YouTube channel guys, Jang guys. Nandiyan yung mga vlog nga ninyo kay guys. So, let's go. Please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and like button. Gusto mo shout out guys? Comment down below guys. Comment your name guys. So, let's go.